That's corrosion. Be careful, it might cut you. It's all over around, all the way around. See here?
How does it corrode? Is that water?
It's a bad chrome.
Bad chrome?
Yeah.
Does that typically happen like that? On a custom wheel?
No. It's not a good chrome. It's what it is. The only way that will happen, if you bend it all the time, but see, only in the part where you bend it,
Right.
or you put a pixel plot, which you say you bought it brand new, you never had flat tire with it yet,
Right. Well, you
the
can tell
Pixaplat-
it's never had
I
fixed
know
flat.
this is good. This
It's
is
a brand
great.
new wheel.
Yeah.